You need the light yet. See no light. Light. See no light. There's a light now.
There's a light.
Okay, here's your axle. We're checking our straightness. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Until you get way out here, it's bad.
Nice.
That's not how they're supposed to be?
I don't think so.
You can see it's curved like this.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Let's go like that, and it's curved like that.
Perfect. So I just got to install it the right direction.
That's right. You want the bike to lean this way or that way?
Exactly. It's adjustability.
When if you go up and down too.
Yeah. It'll raise the bike up.
It's a lower or raising kit, but
yeah.
on Johnny you want to raise it. Real bike you want to lower it.
That's smart.
That's right. That's why they're bent. They're adjustable. You got to mark them.
On a real bike, you want to lower it. Come on.
You have to mark them here so you know which way it is.
That's right. That's right. Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, that's good. That's money.
You good with that?
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's like what, 5,000?
Yeah, maybe. Give or take.
Give or take.
Give or take 5. So you think that's bad?
No. It's just a little out of round.
Oh,
yeah, that's a lot better than I thought. Yeah, good.
The thing is, where is it bent at? Is it bent here, here, or in the middle?
I don't think it matters. I think I'm just gonna. I think we just need to buy a new one. I need to buy a new one. Unless if you can whack it with your truing hammer.
I would never do that in my lathe. That'd be bad on my bearings on my lathe.
That would be bad. Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
These are really good axles.
You're barely even touching it.
I know.
Oh my god. That's so bad.
Eyeball. These are heat treated, aren't they?
Yeah, apparently.
That's how it's in the right spot, see? It's still straight when I pulled it out. How did I know it was going to bend right where the bearing was? It doesn't make sense. I would have ever known that. Here's the other bearing over here.
Damn.
That's straighter than that fork stem was. That fork stem was
yeah,
like
that's
that.
good. That's good. Thanks for making me feel good.
How much we charge for a straightening tool?
$10,000.
A new axle like this, at least $100, aren't they?
Minimum.
What's my straightening charge? $50?
Yeah, sounds good.
I worked on it for at least 3 minutes.
Call it 200 because I mean it's probably better. It's truer than factory.
Probably is. It's definitely true in that fork stem was. I can make it better if I put an indicator on. I can get within 1,000.
Yeah.
I know they're going to bend it again. So, when you tighten these down, tighten the damn nut down. I don't mean 30 foot-pounds like Harley says to do it.
I think Harley's 100.
They don't need the foot. None of these old axles, they don't. The new bike might be 100.
Yeah, the new ones are like 120. They just released a new
These things
cam.
here, they're like 40, 50 pounds. They ain't shit.
Yeah.
So you torque the snot out of these things.
So about two Ugga-Duggas.
I'll pull these things down until the nut don't move no more. When the bike starts lifting up off the ground with your crescent wrench, that's the right torque.
Hold on, crescent wrench. What if I had a torque wrench?
12-inch crescent wrench.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but you got to torque them down. If you torque them down, they'll stay a lot straighter. But when you don't torque them, the whole thing just flexes.
What about that nice Loctite on the threads?
I saw that. The other thing is you got to make sure your axle spacers have a nice, good flat surface. So when you pull them together, it pulls against the swing arm. Puts a nice tight package again.
Well, they weren't good. That's why the rotor
I like
was.
this nut because it's a nice big shoulder on it. That's nice.
That's a nice nut.
But if you look at my race bike, I got a wash that's 2 inches diameter. That's 3/8 inches thick on my race bike. That's how much I torque my axle down to. I've never bent an axle on my race bike. Any of them, any of my bikes, because I tighten them. Anyway, that one's straighter than it was. It kind of like falls in there now.
Yeah, I like that.
Look at the plastic on there.
It's terrible.
What diameter do you think this axle really is? It ain't
not 3/4.
46. 45.
Nice.
5
5 thou under. That's race spec, right? You want to run it loose for race application?
Yeah, whatever. It's 46 kind of over here, but that's because it's bird out here. But yeah, that's because they use a stud. Studs are undersized, so they slide in out easy. These aren't made precisionally.
Nice.
And it's made like garbage metal. They didn't heat treat it, ain't nothing.
Well, I don't know. You put some effort into that to straighten it.
Yeah, I took a lot. Look at the indent marks in the bearing eating into the axle.
Oh, Jesus.
Look at that. It's embedded into it. It's
New
good on this
axle?
side. It's good on this side.
Replace it?
It ain't gonna matter. It's gonna be the same piece of crap when you're done. Nobody makes a heat treated axle.
No.
My race bike that who made that stupid frame? I forget who made that frame. Atlas. My Harmon bike. I got a big long axle like that. Damn thing, a 3/4. And they it's like 13, 14 inch long axle, something like that.
God damn.
It's a 3/4. So it looks like a little spindle. But they use a heat treated chromoly material. They make their axle out.
And they made the axle?
So back in the early 90s, they wanted $200 for that axle back then.
God damn.
But I guarantee you this is not a piece of heat-treated chromoly.
Chinesium.
I can guarantee you it's not that. So, but anyway, you want something made out of better material. But, or not, tighten the piss out of it. Tighten it will work a lot better. All right, are we done screwing all your junk today?
I think so.
Get some real work done?
Close it out.
Close it out.